Good evening everyone. Welcome to Botany Insider's new class where we'll be discussing about the previous year questions of June 2022, latest year. Let's wait for the students to join in, then we'll begin with our class. Till then, please let me know whether the audio and the video is clear to you or not in the chat sections. Then we'll begin with our class, everyone. The exam is very close, very near. Make sure that you all are preparing very effectively, that you all are going through the preparation very nicely, right? There are 3 students in the class. Please let me know whether the audio and video is clear to you. Okay, so let's begin with our class now. So if you're new to Botany Insider, do not forget to hit the subscribe button. In addition, we have our own application. You can download the application from the iOS as well as from the Play Store. Okay, so we also have our own website. You can download. You can go to Google and write down www.botanyinsider.com. You'll be able to explore our complete website as well. Right, let's move forward now. Okay, so talking about the ongoing course, so we have a practice session going on in which we discuss all the previous year question in utmost detail. So if you wish to join in the same, you can download our application. Every day 8:30 to 10 we have our classes, right? We have also the mock test crash course is also going on from tomorrow. We are starting off with the second cycle of revision. Those of you who wish to join, you can join in the crash course, right? This is the very first question for you all. The question is, which of the following life history traits is most likely in a rodent species when snake prefer to prey upon large old individuals of the rodent species that continue to grow over their lifespan? Okay, take your time everyone, read the question carefully and mark the answers in the chat section. Okay, read it properly. It's a very simple question. You just have to understand what is the question asking you. Okay, very good. Others also. 8 students are there in the class. Everyone, mark the answers for this question. Shana has marked the answer as C. Others also, give it a try. Then we'll solve it out together. Okay, it's a simple question. If you observe it carefully, you'll be able to mark it easily. Okay, Madhusmita is also marking the answer as C. Okay, let's see the answer for this particular question. Answer is option number A. You have not understood the question. Question is saying that snake is preying on large and older individuals, right? So what will the rodent species make changes and how will they continue to grow over their lifespan? Because the snake is preferring large and older individuals. So first thing that the rodents would be doing is that they would start to have early reproduction, that even if snake prey upon them in the older individuals, there are still the number of rodents are still not getting degraded. First thing. Second thing, it is saying older individuals, so it would slow, or the complete life cycle, the rodent would try to have slow growth rate so that the individual does not turn old in a fast manner. So that is the reason why answer is option number A, early reproduction, in order to maintain the complete population of the rodents, and slow growth rate in order to delay the process in which the individual would turn old. Is it clear to everyone? Answer is option number A and not option number C. Early reproduction and slow growth rate is the correct answer. 4 of you have marked the answer as C itself. This answer is incorrect. Answer is option number A. Is it clear to all? Yes or no? Any doubt? Any problem? Anyone? See, whenever you are doing these analysis type of question, make sure that you are keeping your horizons open. You are keeping your thinking horizons very, very broad, so that you can understand, or you can have all the aspects very much taken into consideration, and then only mark such questions. See, first thing, these questions are easier. On the other hand, there are higher chances that these questions are marked incorrectly by the students. Reason being, हर एक स्टूडेंट के समझने का तरीका, जिस तरीके से एक स्टूडेंट एक पर्टिकुलर सिनेरियो को देखता है, सबका अलग होता है, राइट? दिस इज नॉट अ फैक्चुअल क्वेश्चन, दिस इज नॉट स्टेटमेंट टाइप क्वेश्चन, इट इज जस्ट एन एनालिटिकल, completely out of nowhere this question has been made, right? So analysis वाले question जितने easy होते हैं, उतने ही negatives देने के chances increase होते हैं. I'm not saying for you to not do this question, I'm just asking you to practice as much as you can, so that you can eliminate these negatives and make these questions as a strength for easy scoring. Okay, clear everyone? Next question. Now this question was marked incorrectly by many students yesterday. Everyone give it a try to this question now. Question is asking the post-translational modification in one or more core histones that are known to be associated with the DNA repair are. 4 options in front of you. Everyone mark the answer for this question. Take your time, mark the answer for this. Okay, let's see. Answer is yes, option number B. Most of you have marked the answer incorrect for this. So just for your revision, I have kept this question. Answer is option number B itself, that is ubiquitination at the specific lysine residues. Now mark the answer for this particular question. This one is related to plant physiology. Okay, question is saying you are given some of the statements regarding apoplastic, symplastic and the transcellular roots in the plants. Okay, 4 options in front of you. You need to mark down which of the combination is correct. Okay, take your time and mark the answer for this question, everyone. It's a very simple, very important question. Mark the answer, everyone. Okay, majority of you are marking the answer as option number C. Let's give it a try. Question is saying that there are some statements regarding apoplastic, symplastic and the transcellular transportation. Okay, you need to find out which particular combination of statement is correct. Remember, apoplastic is through the cell walls, and second statement is saying apoplastic is mostly involving plasmodesmatase. Incorrect option. In the plasmodesmatase, you require, or the symplastic transportation occurs via the plasmodesmatase, and then transcellular transport mostly occurs through the tonoplast via the vacuoles. It's a 4 marker, students. Just read this question. It's so easy. Even if you have understood this elimination technique, that the contradictory statements are always incorrect, you can easily eliminate. You can easily say A and B cannot come together. Okay, so first and fourth goes wrong in the first place itself. Then you have to remember, apoplastic transport does not require plasmodesmatase. It occurs through the cell wall. So A option is correct, B is incorrect. You can eliminate this and get to the final answer. Even if you remember just one basic information, that apoplastic pathway is via the cell wall, you can mark the answer. You can get A as correct, B as incorrect, and you can reach to your final answer. Very good, all of you got the answer correct. Excellent. Next question. Now this particular question is, you have the glycolysis and the citric acid cycle contributing precursors to many biosynthetic pathways in the plants. 4 options in front of you. Match the following type of question. Try to find the answer for this particular question, everyone. Very simple, very basic. And those of you who are there in the enrolled batches, you know that I have shared this exact question with you all. So let's see how many of you will be marking the correct answer. Take your time. Mark the answer, everyone, for this question now. Everyone, give it a try to this question. Okay, very good, very good. Everyone participate, 7 students in the class. Okay, let's see. The answer for this question is yes, option number B itself. So this is the match the following type of question, and you have to remember the complete information. See, pyruvate is the precursor molecule for the alanine. So B gets marked with second, as in when you are sure with one, eliminate the other ones, right? Then you have pentose phosphate. This is very basic, nucleic acid. So sorry, nucleotides. So C gets marked with 4. Even if you remember just one of it, you can reach to your final answer. Then you have oxaloacetate. it is a precursor molecule for your aspartate, and then you have hexose phosphate, it is the precursor molecule for your cellulose. Okay, remember about this particular thing, very important, very basic, very straightforward question. Okay, even if you can mark just one regarding the pentose phosphate, you can reach to the answer of nucleotides. Like with just one you can eliminate three of them, right? Because it's just one statement where you have C getting marked with the fourth one, right? I hope this question is clear to you all. Answer is option number B. Next question, this one is a general aptitude. Get the answer for this particular question. Again, very simple question. Take your time, mark the answer for this. It's again June 2022 question. In this question we have to apply two properties, or we have to remember two properties of the parallelogram and for a triangle, and then we can easily mark the answer for this. So in this question, the very first rule that you have to remember is that in a parallelogram, opposite angles of a parallelogram are always same. Okay, so if this is 120, this will also be 120. Okay, first property is that in a parallelogram, opposite angles are always similar. Remember this. Second property is that in a triangle, the angle sum property of a triangle is 180 degrees. That is, the sum of three angles is 180 degrees. So as in when you apply this particular formula, one side you have the angle as 120, second angle is 33, third angle is theta as given in the question, and we have to find out the same angle. This is equal to what? This is equal to 180 degrees, right? So theta will be equal to what? It will be equal to 180 minus 120 plus 53 plus 33. It is equal to 153. So theta is equal to 27 degrees. Very simple. Answer is option number C. Is it clear to all? This is a very simple, very basic question, and it was asked in the CSIR in the latest paper 2022. Clear to all? Yes or no? Yes. Is this question clear to everyone? Only 3 of you marked the answer for this, and now I am expecting all of you have understood this concept. Clear? Very good, very good. Others also let me know. Excellent. Next question. This question is related to the adaptive radiation. Okay, mark the answer for this particular question, everyone. This question is related to adaptive radiation. Again a part C question, 4 marker. Quickly mark the answer. Okay, everyone mark the answer for this question, then we'll solve it out together. The question is saying following are certain statements regarding the adaptive radiation. First option is saying that it is a kind of divergent evolution that is driven by the ecological diversification. Second one is saying that adaptive radiation is the divergence of the unrelated taxas into different niches. Third option is adaptive radiation is rare on the archipelagos removed from the mainlands, and the fourth one is saying processes unrelated to the niche exploitation can be the major drivers of the species diversification. We need to mark down the correct answers. Okay, all the correct statements need to be identified. If you read the question very carefully, first one is saying that it is a kind of divergent evolution that is driven by ecological diversification. It's a very correct statement, right? So as and when first gets correct, so either the answer is option number A or option number D, right? Then second option, it is saying that the adaptive radiation is a kind of divergence of the unrelated taxas. This is an incorrect statement because we need to have the related taxas in a group and they diverge because of the different needs. So B option is incorrect. You can eliminate option number B as well. So answer is option number D, that is A and D is the correct answer for this particular question, and it's a very good thing 4 of you have marked the answer correctly. Very good. Remember this particular concept, very important, very easy, and you can easily get 4 marker out of this question as well. Next question, last question for the day. Which of the following statement in relation to the insect wings is not true? You need to find which of the following in relation to the insect wings is not true. 4 options. First one is insect wings are extensions of the cuticle and they are not the true appendages. Second one, in beetles the hind wings function in the flight. Third option, males of many cricket species have forelimbs modified to bear the sound producing structure. Fourth one, flies with a structure have a structure called as frenulum which joins the forewings to the hind wings. This is bit of statement like a factual question, but still give it a try everyone. Quickly mark the answer everyone for this particular question. Okay, let's see the answer for this now. The answer for this question is option number D, which is saying the flies have a structure called as frenulum which joins to the forewing to the hind wing. This particular statement is incorrect. Except for this, all the other 3 statements are correct. None of you have marked the answer, but still it's okay. You can keep this particular question as a information based, right? Answer is option number D and not B, Niharika. It's okay. It's a factual question. It's absolutely fine. You can keep a note of the same. Okay. So these were the questions for today, everyone. Thank you for joining in. We have a new session of revision starting tomorrow. Those of you who wish to, you can join in the crash course, join in the PYQ sessions early morning 8:30 to 10, and you can revise and practice with us. From tomorrow we are starting with a rapid revision concepts. So join in with us and use your last 30 days in the best manner possible. Okay, all the best. Good luck everyone. Take care. Let's meet tomorrow now.